Hello everyone, this is Komal. Today we are going to discuss the geography topic for class 6, chapter number 2, landforms. This is second video for this topic. So here we are going to discuss about mountains. What are mountains? A naturally elevated surface on the earth is called a mountain. This is a simple definition for mountain. Elevated surface on earth, that is the mountain. This is very important. The study of mountains as a specialized branch is known as the orography. The study of mountains that are done by the specialized technique that is called the orography. Mountains are higher than 600 meters and less than 600 meters are called hills. This is the basic difference between mountain and hill. Mountains are usually more than 600 meters higher, and those who are the less than 600 meters, that are called hills. It exists on land as well as in the oceans too. Mountains are present on the land surface as well as on the oceans also. Then top of mountain is called the peak of mountain. The cone shape on the top of the mountain, that is called peak. Now, how the mountains are formed? Formation. There are several ways in which mountains are formed and can take millions of years for the formation. And according to formation, they have given several ways, but we are going to discuss the 3 ways in this chapter. The first one is fold mountains. This is a very common type of formation of mountains. It formed due to the collision of mountains. It formed due to the collision of 2 plates of the earth. 2 plates, the tectonic plates which are present in the earth's crust. Due to the collision, when they are colliding on each other, at that time the fold mountains are formed. For example, the Himalayan mountains, Alps, Aravalli, Andes, these are the examples of fold mountains which are formed due to the fold process. Fold mountains are of 2 types. First one is young fold mountains. These type of mountains are formed during the 10 to 20 million years before. And for example, Alps and Himalayas, these are known as the newly formed fold mountains. So that's why we are saying at young fold mountain. And second one is old fold mountains. These mountains are formed more than 200 million years ago. And examples of these type of mountains are Aravalli and the Highland of Scotland. There are some other examples too in your book. You can see from there. Then second type of mountain is block mountain. Block mountains formed when there is a fault on earth crust and plates of earth collide with each other. The same process like the fold mountains are formed, the block mountains are also formed, but due to some fractures or fault, the block structure formation is there in the mountain area. So that's why it is known as the block mountain. So example of these type of mountains are Sierra Nevada in California, Rhine Valley and Vosges in Europe. Blocks are formed when a mass of land being pushed up between parallel cracks. When during the parallel cracks, the pushed back of land happen. At that time, blocks are formed. It has steep sides related to rift valleys sustained between 2 faults. These are the important features of block mountains. Distribution. So block mountains are distributed in 3 types. First one is black forest. Black forest, the black forest is known as black due to the lot of pine trees. Pine trees are very much present in that area, so that's why those type of forests are known as black forest. Now, second type of block mountains are found in Vosges in eastern France, and the third one is Vindhyas in Madhya Pradesh in central India. Now, third type of mountains are volcanic mountains. These type of mountains formed to volcanic eruptions, and lava formed cone shaped hills are present in the volcanic mountain. Due to the irregular eruption of volcanoes, these type of mountains are basically formed. The lavas are stick on the sides of the mountain. For example, Mount Fuji in Japan, Mount Kilimanjaro in Africa. Now, the next thing is, what is the importance of mountain? Why the mountains are important to us? So, mountains make up of about 1/5 of the world's landscape. 1/5 of world landscape is under the mountain area. The next thing is, what is the importance of mountain? Why the mountains are important to us? So, mountains make up of about 1/5 of the world's landscape. 1/5 of world landscape is under the mountain area. The next thing is, it is the storehouse of water. Various glaciers, rivers are originated through the mountain area. So that's why it is called the storehouse of mountain. It also affects climate and weather. Mountains are trapping the weather phenomenon, and after that monsoon winds are deflected or shed their moisture over that area. Then fertile soil we get from the mountain area, rich in flora and fauna. Flora, the plant life, and fauna, animal life. Animal and plants, both types, are present in abundance in the mountain area. Forest and rich forest area is very much in that mountain part. Then mountains are also rich in minerals. Shelters for the animals. Mainly animals are living in the mountainous area because forests are present there. Then fuel, timber, rubber, all these type of things we are getting from the mountain area. Tourist destination due to the scenic beauty like Ooty, Shimla, Gulmarg. These type of mountainous areas are good for the tourist destination. So here is our topic. If you will get any problem, you can ask me through comment section. Thank you.